Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Google Chrome downloads in speed slow. So there is some fix for that. So the first one is, let me show you. Head over to your Chrome browser. So once you're there, just go to the search tab and search for CHROME Chrome colon / and the flags 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 and search for it. So once you search for it, this layout will arrive in front of you. And from here, just go to search flags and search for parallel downloading. And you will find this one. Now set it to default to disabled. And once you set it, just turn off your Google Chrome or just shut your Google Chrome down and then try again to downloading the same thing. Hopefully this will solve your problem. If the problem still persists, just minimize it. Go to the search section right here. Now write for run and run it as an administrator. And here write ncpa.cpl and click on OK. And this will arrive in front of you. From here, you have to go to your current network that you are using. Right click on it, go to properties. From here, go to this Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. So just uncheck it and turn it off and then click on OK. So I'm not currently doing that because my one is running well. So make sure to do that and hopefully this will solve your downloading speed problem. And here you have to try to download your things again. So yeah, these are the two fixes we needed to share with you. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video.